Hey guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X8 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style. Let's just go with all the setup, and now select wallpapers. It's time to choose the source from which you want to select this wallpaper. You can also pick one from your own photos, from your own albums. Let me pick Gooey, for example. Tap on confirmation mark, and now you need to customize it however you like. But let me do it this way. And tap on apply rule. So as you can see now, you can choose lock screen, lock screen and home screen, or carousel wallpaper. I wish to put it on both home screen and lock screen, so here you can see how it looks. If you would like to change the style, you can also do it. For example, you can add some blur, change the gradient however you like. Let me apply it, for example, like this. So that's on our lock screen. Let's customize the hour, also the date. And then let's go to wallpaper. So here it is. If you like it, tap on apply. And that's it, that would be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.